Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the default screen after startup or restoration on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657. So first, we're gonna go ahead and click the home button here to enable our printer. Now, as you guys can see, my default one is the copy. So now what we're gonna do to change that is we're gonna go into the menu, and here we're gonna go into the preferences. Here we need to go into the display settings, and right here the first thing we will see is the default screen after startup or restoration. And here we are able to change it to home, copy, fax, scan, secure print, and status monitor. So as you guys can see now, after I change it to home, then we will see this first when we enable our printer. So now I'm gonna show you how to easily do that on the web page of your printer. So here we are at the site. Now what we need to do is we need to go over to settings and registration, and here let's move to the display settings. Now we need to wait a while. This might take some time, and basically after it loads, here we will have the display settings, and here we will have the default screen after startup/restoration. Here we have home because we changed it on our printer, but here after we click edit, we will be able to change that. Now as you guys can see, let me click the edit one more time, and here I'll show you guys how to easily change it. So all we got to do is let it load, and here we can change the default screen after startup to, let's say, scan, secure print, or status monitor. Now here we can enable status monitor, and here we can also choose the default screen after closing the status monitor. We can go for home, copy, fax, scan, or secure print. Everything here, but not the status monitor. So that's basically how you guys can easily change it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.